Welcome to our in-depth review of the highly anticipated 2025 refresh of the Tesla Model 3. This update is not just a facelift, it represents a significant leap forward in the electric vehicle landscape. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of technology and sustainability, this refresh showcases groundbreaking innovations that are set to redefine the driving experience. In this video, we'll explore the key features and enhancements that make the 2025 Model 3 a game-changer in the automotive industry. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply curious about the future of electric vehicles, you'll gain valuable insights into what makes this refresh so exciting. Stay tuned. Design changes. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 introduces a range of aesthetic enhancements that elevate both its exterior and interior design. On the outside, sleek lines and a more aerodynamic profile not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve efficiency. Inside, the cabin features upgraded materials and a minimalist layout that prioritizes user experience. Compared to previous models, the new design elements reflect a thoughtful evolution, with improved ergonomics and intuitive controls that make driving more enjoyable. These design updates significantly impact functionality, offering better visibility and comfort for drivers and passengers alike. Overall, the 2025 refresh showcases how design can harmoniously blend style with practicality in the electric vehicle space. Performance upgrades. The 2025 refresh of the Tesla Model 3 brings significant performance enhancements that elevate the driving experience to new heights. With improved acceleration, the Model 3 now boasts quicker 0 to 60 miles per hour times, making it one of the most exhilarating rides in its class. Handling has also been refined, offering a more responsive and agile feel on the road. Notably, advancements in battery technology have led to increased range, allowing drivers to travel further on a single charge. These upgrades not only enhance the overall driving experience but also position the Model 3 as a formidable competitor in the electric vehicle market, setting a high standard for performance and efficiency. Technological innovations. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 is packed with cutting-edge technology features that redefine the driving experience. One of the standout advancements is the enhanced autonomous driving capabilities, which include improved navigation and smarter decision-making algorithms, making it safer and more intuitive than ever. Additionally, the latest software updates bring a host of new functionalities, ensuring that drivers always have access to the most current features. The infotainment system has also seen significant upgrades, with a more responsive interface and expanded connectivity options, allowing seamless integration with smartphones and smart home devices. Together, these innovations not only elevate convenience but also enhance safety and enjoyment, making every journey more engaging and efficient. Safety enhancements. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features that prioritize driver and passenger protection. Notable improvements include enhanced collision avoidance systems and upgraded sensors that provide better detection of obstacles. These advancements have contributed to improved crash test ratings, reinforcing Tesla's commitment to safety. The addition of features like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist further enhances overall safety, making the driving experience more secure. When compared to previous models, the 2025 refresh showcases significant advancements that not only meet but often exceed industry standards. With these innovations, the Model 3 continues to set a benchmark for safety in the electric vehicle market. Market impact. The 2025 refresh of the Tesla Model 3 is poised to significantly influence the automotive market by shaping consumer preferences and trends toward electric vehicles. With its cutting-edge technology, enhanced performance, and superior safety features, the Model 3 sets a new standard that could sway buyers looking for innovation and reliability. In the competitive landscape, Tesla solidifies its position as a leader, compelling other automakers to elevate their offerings to keep pace. This refresh not only reinforces Tesla's dominance but also challenges competitors to innovate faster in the electric vehicle space. As a result, we may see a ripple effect, prompting increased investment in EV technology across the industry. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 refresh of the Tesla Model 3 introduces significant advancements in design, performance, technology, and safety, solidifying its place as a leader in the electric vehicle market. We've explored how the aesthetic enhancements improve user experience, the impressive performance upgrades elevate driving dynamics, and the cutting-edge technology features redefine convenience and safety. Remember these key takeaways as they highlight the innovations that set the Model 3 apart from its competitors. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in tech and automotive trends, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us bring you more insightful content.